Hazrat Rabia heard Qasim bin Muhammad say that three things have been transpired by Barira's episode. When Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha intended to purchase and manumit her, her master said, "The right to inherit will stand with us." When she mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Let them levy a condition if you wish, but the right to inherit goes to the one who manumits." The transmitter says, she was purchased and manumitted and granted the choice to live or not with her husband. One day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered Hazrat Aisha's house while the casserole on the stove was fizzing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for food. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was presented bread and the curry made at home. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Am I not witnessing meat?" They said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why not? But it was given to Barira as alms, and she has given it to us as a present." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "It is alms for her and a gift for us." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5430.